everybody, I've got a quick haul to share today, and this first shop is Letters to Apollo. And first off, I'm just really excited that I got my order in a hand-lettered envelope. Little touches like that from shop owners totally make my day. I am not hard to please at all. These are the stickers that I got. I got a few of the different scripts. I've been seeing her scripts in so many of my favorite planner accounts' Instagrams, so definitely had to check this shop out. So we've got game night, grocery shopping, back off anxiety, family night, shopped till I dropped, walk the dog, read, and nap queen, of course. I got these in all black because 99% of my spreads are done in black ink, so these will match everything. But she also had different foil options available for all of them. She even had different calligraphy options, like one was thicker than the other. First impression, I love that you get so many stickers on the sheet and that a lot of the sheets have two separate sizes available. So like if I'm in a daily versus a monthly, different options like that really make me happy. Yeah, I'm really excited to use these. These have been sitting on my desk for a while I waited to get a haul filmed. So looking forward to using these and getting these in my planner. Next up, I have an order from Hello Petite Paper. This is the super cute little business card that she has with her information on the back, but this is so cute to just like pop into your pockets. I mean, it's adorable. And then I got the Happy New Year kit, or the mini kit. So we've got 2 sheets of full boxes, and the sheet with the different boxes and deco, and boxes and checklist. So the mini kit comes with these 4 sheets, which is perfect for me in a smaller planner because I can always offset it with more deco and like washi tape and everything. And I already have my New Year's kit set out, so I'm going to instead use these boxes and make it for my birthday week because these are like my favorite colors. The illustrations are beautiful as always. Vanessa has such an eye for design. I also picked up the additional deco sheet, which has got a few more little pieces on there. Oh, and this is the sampler that came with the order. Forgot to share that. And then this is the journaling card that came with it, and it is foiled and so pretty. I love Hello Petite Paper. She has got such cute designs. She offers full kits and mini kits, which I'm so glad so many more shops are offering that now, with smaller planners being more trendy, I guess, than they used to be, where you had to get like a 6-page kit to do anything. These just work way better for me. I feel like I'm wasting a lot less and using a lot more. Next up, I have a couple of orders from my newest addiction to share. And then each order came with a freebie. So this one had a little bow die cut, and the other one had a silver foiled sampler sheet. And I got the December monthly for the PP week size. So you get this one sheet of this. I mean, look how beautiful that is. These colors are amazing. We've got Jasinia's lettering, which is gorgeous as always. And then you get the matching foil date hearts and this little functional sheet. It's got the different days over here on individual stickers so that you can start on a Sunday or Monday or Thursday, you know, live how you want. And then you've got your January, look at a future glance, sorry. And then you've got some paydays, bill dues, lots of icons, the different holidays. I mean, she's really got you covered here, but I also got a sheet of functional foil in matching background and foil so I can add on to it as I need to. I like to use my monthly as kind of a memory thing, just marking important things that happened that day. And then I got, this was a $2 Tuesday bundle, so these sheets all came together so you didn't have to buy them individually, which I love that. It makes it so much easier to shop. So we've got bow fancy labels, bow teardrops, bow heart icons, cash envelopes, piggy banks, and bill due labels. And then I got the bill due labels also in rose gold foil, just individually. Now, a lot of these she only offers specifically on $2 Tuesdays, but some of the more popular ones or some of the ones that are requested a lot, she'll bring back as full sheets. So be sure to check in the shop if you see any of these designs that you like. Check occasionally. Sometimes she'll surprise us and throw them in there. Another one of my favorite things about my newest addiction is her overlay designs. They are so cool. So I got them in the 2 buffalo check options, the white and the red, but you can get them in any background. You can get them in the monthly background, you can get them on white, you can get them on clear and lay them over your own patterned boxes. plus whatever foil you want. I mean, she makes it so easy to make your planners work for you and make the kits that you want. So this is the white one I got. She had 2 separate Christmas options, and I got one of each. So we've got a snow globe, a couple of Christmas quotes, and then this little wrapped box. So each sheet comes with 4 full boxes and 2 label stickers down at the bottom. Or I guess headers maybe. They're kind of larger than a quarter box, smaller than a half box. This is the red and gold, and I got the ornaments at the top, Christmas quote in a tree shape, and then the fireplace, which is so cute. And then the bottom just has the little deco sprinkled throughout. And these, because they're both gold foiled and I buy mostly gold foil anyways, I can make my own kit by using lots of other stickers just added onto there. And I also picked up some of the winter and holiday bucket list scripts in collaboration with Justinia. I got that in gold and rose gold, so I'd be covered for most of my kits. So here's just a little close-up. I'm not going to read them all to you, but you know, you can pause, screenshot, whatever if you want to see. They are still listed, I believe. Actually, she may have taken them out because it's getting closer to Christmas time, and I know she's a stickler about making sure that she doesn't offer stuff for holidays if she can't for sure get it out to you by the holidays. And then this is the winter holiday bucket list. These illustrations were too cute to pass up, so I got this sheet in gold foil, again with Justinia's writing, the really pretty like watercolor style illustration that my newest addiction is known for. So good. And then this was a newer release too. These are the monthly calendars with Justinia's writing at the top. Different backgrounds, different foils available. I got white with gold. I think I'm going to use this just in the front of one of my print impression planners as like an overview. I haven't quite decided yet though, but they are all individual stickers, so you can lay them out how you want. Pick your own foils and backgrounds to match your planners, or even your weekly spreads. Like if you use those, yeah, you could just stick them at the bottom of those. Lots of ways to use that. And then whenever I was reorganizing my sticker collection, I realized that I had a ton of gold foil, not a lot of rose gold foil, so I wanted to pick up some date covers. This is the deluxe sheet, so you get 4 different styles to cover a whole month of layouts. And this way, like if I use from a bigger kit, just like a few of the boxes, 3 or 4 of the full boxes, and there's still some left, I can extend that kit to last to the next week by just adding some date covers to match. And you get 4 different styles here. These are really pretty. I think this is my favorite font, or this one. One of those 2. Really pretty. She also listed some variations of her overlays for New Year, so I grabbed one of those sheets, and I decided to go with the Dusty Rose background and a Pixie Dust foil just because it is so pretty. I love this combination. Like, this is a new one, and I'm excited about it. This is out of my comfort zone because normally white and gold, that's what I stick with, just the basics. But I think this is so pretty for celebrating and just the colors in general. So we've got those, and then to make this into my own kit, this is a sheet by itself. This is also a sheet by itself. This is the date covers. As you can see, compared to the deluxe, it just has the 2 versions with 2 different fonts, the same background. And then I also got the foil date hearts. Like, you can build your own kit. You can make it as small or as big with as many pieces as you want. As long as you match the backgrounds and the foils, you are set. So of course I had to get the functional foil sheet to match. So I've got to build a kit situation happening here. But aren't these so pretty together? I think this is going to look so good for New Year's. Yeah, I love Pixie Dust foil. So good. And I also picked up this sheet. It's white with Pixie Dust foil. These are the confetti boxes, so you get half boxes and quarter boxes. And try to zoom in on that confetti. It's got different hearts and bows and stars mixed in. Yeah, so I can just layer this. I can use it with this kit. I can use it with other kits. I mean, I'm all about versatility and having like staples in my collection like this. So we've got, these are the regular foil boxes in gold and rose gold. You know, you got to have the basics to fill out your stash, just so you're always prepared, right? So I do have a code for my newest addiction. It's in my description below the video, as always, and in my Instagram bio. You can find all of my codes there. I have been shopping with Laura at My Newest Addiction for so long. I just really love her stuff. That's why I use it so much, why I share it so often. It's a really great shop, really beautiful designs. Next up, I have a small order from Two Little Bees. This is the freebie die cut that came with my order and the journaling card. It is plain and blank on the back, so you can washi that thing up. And then I got this kit. It's got 4 pages. So these are the full boxes. I'm sure, as most of you probably know, I love all things Harry Potter, but Fair Isle is one of my favorite winter prints. It's right behind Buffalo Check for me. I love it. So when I saw that she combined the two together in such a cool like color combination, I had to have it. This sweater with the Deathly Hallows symbol on it, I mean, I love it. So then we've got the headers and the washi strips on this sheet. And then we've got the trackers, the checklist, and some boxes. And then the last sheet is functional. We've got some flags, icons, date covers, and deco. So this is my problem. Okay, I've got 4 weeks of winter in my planner and like 20 winter kits to choose from. It's a first world planner problem, I guess. I think we all struggle with that, right? I'm not the only one. Please tell me. I love this kit. It is super cute though. Next up, I have an order from the Giving Girl, and something that's like synonymous with the Giving Girl brand is her impeccable packaging. It's always just so beautiful. So then she's never like stingy with the freebies. Let me just say that. So we've got this washi card that is foiled with the little dangling bows and stars at the top. And then this is the sampler sheet with pink, and then it's got gold foiling, different icons. And then this was the third freebie, which is marble with gold foiling. And then this was my order. So we've got the gold foiled bow envelopes. And then the clipboards and the little decoration inside of them, those are separate stickers. So you can like layer the big clipboard over little notes or something like that, and then use these as deco elsewhere. Such a cool idea. And then I got the gold paw prints. And then these are the notched little boxes. And then these little boxes with the bows. And then these are the bowstrung boxes in Candied Peach and in Nude. And then we've got bow heart doilies in Ash Gray. And all of these have gold foil too. My staple, y'all know. And then we've got the eyelet heart flags, the eyelet corners, and the eyelet corners in white. And then this last sheet is a mixed deco sheet, and it's in the Raven Rose collection. I just thought these colors were so pretty. I mean, all of her foiling is just stunning. Plus, she's for Black Friday, she did like itsy bitsy tiny little sheets for $1. $1. So I also got some of those. I'm excited to share my Black Friday haul with everyone. Looking forward to that. But in the meantime, I have all of these pretties to play with till then. All right, so this is like the same color and everything as the PP Weeks that I already have. So you got your blank page. This will be covered in washi soon enough, I'm sure. Your name page, more blank pages, and then you've got your 12 months. This layout looks very similar to the basic simple font Annie Plans monthly inserts that I was using when I used B5TN. So I like that. I'm also thinking that the regular kits that fit her monthlies would fit these as well. I'm probably going to test that out with some My Newest Addiction kits just to make sure. So you have all 12 months in a row at the front of the planner, and then you've got your 52 weeks after that. It's the same layout as the PP Weeks, except your boxes are still a little bit larger, still wide enough to fit the Erin Condren box kits though. So that's perfect because, I mean, pretty much my entire stash was made for that. So it's really helpful to have things that you can keep using. Plus the date cover boxes would be the same. You can also use washi instead. You've got room for skinny washi at the top and bottom too. So you've got all of those weeks together. And then you get 2 bookmarks. In my PP Weeks, I'm using one to mark the month that I'm on and one to mark the week that I'm on. And then at the back, you've got some pages of, of grid paper. So you can use that for like your monthly goals or tracking your monthly things. Do like a happy planner type dashboard where you keep track of all of your currently items. You could do bills, fitness. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for, honestly. I'm still trying to decide. But I think I'm going to upgrade my PP Weeks to this for my everyday carry for 2020. That's kind of the rough plan as of now. We'll see if that changes. I like the PP Weeks. I just write a little large for that type of planner, and I feel like with the amount of deco I also enjoy using, I'm not able to write as much, so it's more as like a sticker page instead of actual plans. So I think with this I'll be able to fit a little bit more on there and still be able to be functional and cute. One of the worries about this planner is because I do use so much deco is about it, you know, being out to here chunk wise. I'm not sure because I've never used a planner that I haven't had to take the pages out of. So it'll be interesting to see how that works out. Let's see, we've got little strings in here, make sure those are all good. Yeah, so this is really cute. Let me see, let me grab my PP Weeks real quick. Okay, so yeah, I got the same color. Obviously, I have my little sticker dashboard on there. But I love that they're both the same color and they'll both fit in my purse and look so cute matching together. Matching things, mini things, all, you know, part of my favorite things. So I'm gonna have to, I don't know if I'll do the same exact color scheme here. This is my favorite colors, but we'll see. I might do like a sticker type dashboard on here. Could be fun to play with. So yes, this is my Print Pression Bound B6. All right, well obviously I have a lot to get organized today. I've got to put all of these away in the different sticker albums. That system has been really working for me, making sure that I use things and don't forget that I have them. So many great shops in this one. I will have every single one of them linked down in the description below, so you can click on those, take you straight to their shops, and you can check them out for yourselves. All of my discount codes are down there too, plus a link to my Instagram if you want to follow me over there and see how I'm going to be using all of these beautiful items. So thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.